Our today's topic is Microsoft Copilot for Service. This video covers two topics. First, we will talk about Copilot for Service. Then we will talk about Copilots in Dynamics 365 Customer Service. So what is Copilot for Service? Customers expect fast, personalized service at every touchpoint. Microsoft Copilot for Service is here to elevate the contact center experience with generative AI. Microsoft Copilot for Service lets you create agent-facing copilots, or we can also say chatbots, that boost agent productivity and improve customer satisfaction so that agents are free to focus on the customer. How to get Microsoft Copilot for Service? Microsoft Copilot for Service costs 50 USD per user per month. It is coming soon. If you want to try it now, you can sign up for a preview. Free trial is only available using work account. It is not available with Hotmail, Gmail, Yahoo Mail. Please also note Copilot for Microsoft 365 is included in the Microsoft Copilot for Service. This product alone costs 30 USD per user per month. Please also note a license of Microsoft 365 E3 or E5 will be required to purchase Copilot for Service. If you want to know more about Copilot for Microsoft 365, please refer my other video. Now let's take small tour of Copilot for the Service. Copilot for Service have out-of-box integration for Dynamics 365, Salesforce, ServiceNow, and Zendesk. Copilot for Service process large amount of data already available in public websites, SharePoint, and knowledge-based articles to provide relevant, timely guidance to contact center agents. All this can be achieved without any expensive customization. In future, Copilot for Service will make agents even more productive by enriching email summaries, email drafts, and meeting recaps with CRM data. This was a quick intro to Copilot for Service. Now let's talk about Dynamics 365 Customer Service. Dynamics 365 Customer Service is a separate product which has been in the market for a couple of years, which have few generative AI Copilot features which came in last few months. For these features, we do not need to pay extra. What are these Copilot features in Dynamics 365 Customer Service? We are going to cover very soon in our demonstration. Today we will talk about Copilot Chat, Copilot Email, top knowledge article suggestions by Smart Assist, top similar case suggestions by Smart Assist, case summary and conversation summary. So first of all, we're going to learn Copilot in customer service. I logged in as admin into customer service admin center. Go to agent experience and click on productivity. First option, Copilot help pane. Click on manage. You can see this feature is still in preview, so it is available only for US English. Click this option, make Copilot available to agents. Also click for customer chat and for email. Once you enable these options, Copilot is available to agents. Sometime I noticed that Copilot features are not available under customer service workspace. In that case, we can do one thing. We can go to workspace, go to agent experience profile, click on manage, default profiles we cannot modify, so we made a new profile and we have added a user into new profile like this one. The user must have role of customer service representative and Copilot preview option should be on. Now we will log into customer service workspace from this user. So we logged into customer service workspace with the user and we can see this option over here, Copilot preview. Here we have two options, ask a question and write an email. Let's go one by one. Let's say we type refund policy. So we waiting for the answer. Okay, we got the answer. We can also check the source of the answer from, yeah, we got the answer from the knowledge article. We can also configure few external portals for search purpose. If you like article, you can click this button. If you don't like, you can click this button. You can copy the contents and use for the sharing purpose. Other feature is write an email. If you click on this option, it will tell you please open an email first. Let me go to a case. Activities, new email. So you can see multiple options are here. Suggest a call, request more information, empathize with feedback, and few other options. Let me click one of them, resolve the customer problem. So AI generating response for us. For your information, AI always gives suggestions that you can modify as per your requirements. So this is a suggestion of the AI for an email and you can modify or use it as it is for your customer copy and you can also modify. If you don't like it, you can start again. So we have covered ask a question and write an email under Copilot for customer service. Thank you. In previous demo, we have covered Copilot. Now we're going to start our Smart Assist demo. Click on Inbox, click on any case. On right side, you can see option Smart Assist, which came from here. Under Smart Assist, you will find two kind of suggestions. One is about knowledge articles, other is about similar cases. So system will give you top 3 article suggestions based on the relevance of the current open case. It will also show you level of confidence of AI for the suggested article. System will only show article which have confidence score 65% or high. If you find this article relevant, you can press yes. If you find this article irrelevant, you can press no. System will use this feedback for further improvements. If you wish, you can also link the article with the case from here. System will show you similar case suggestions which are resolved in past, which is almost similar to the current open case. Rest of options are similar to knowledge article like confidence score, relevancy, and link to case. First of all, we will log into customer service admin center. We'll go to agent experience, click on productivity. So as we are going to cover summaries today, so we're going to click on summary, manage. First of all, we have to agree with terms of service. Okay, once we opt in, we have to click on option make case summaries available to agents. Save and close. Now we will move to customer service hub. Open any case. Please notice Copilot for case summary is based on generative AI. So you have to provide maximum data in the case in all the attributes in communication so that you can get useful case summaries. You can see now we have a case summary card generating case summary for you. So case summary is based on attributes and communication you've done so far on this case. So it will save time of agents to go here and there and they can see everything in case summary. As we have discussed case summary, now we will move to conversation summary. Let's go back to customer service admin center. Productivity, summaries, live conversation summaries. So when you want summary, when an agent join a conversation, means when you doing a chat and you want to call somebody in the chat or you want to transfer chat, it means you have to choose this option. When conversation complete or end, you can choose this option. Or if you want on demand, you can choose this option. We also have this option, allow agent to create a case with a button in summary. In case you choose this option, you also see a button at the screen to create a case from conversation. Now go to omnichannel center. Now we will do a demo chat. First tap open agent tab. You can see agent is available to chat or take calls. Second step, let's chat. What is status of case? Please notice that a conversation is going on and now you want the summary of this conversation. So it's quite easy. One option is you can click from here, summarize. Other option is end conversation. You will see conversation summary over here and If you wish, you can also create a case from here, or you can link a case from here. So this was all about conversation summary. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you liked it. I will be happy to solve your queries further. Please mention in comment box or refer my website, which I have given in description. Please subscribe to my channel to see such demonstrations. Thank you.